So hey guys, oh, can't catch babe, he's in his underpants. Anyways, it's been a really busy day. I'm super hungry, I'm thirsty above all. Like, I am super freaking thirsty. But we just made it to Riu. We're gonna be staying at Riu for a couple of days, and we originally had like a standard like ocean view room, but we got upgraded to a suite. Anyways, we got upgraded to a junior suite. Yeah, so we didn't know. I will do like a no, check in the side part where the zipper is. No, babe, in my suitcase, the side part where the zipper is. Anyways, yo, the place, yo, the view, you guys. Tomorrow morning, if I had come out here like when I just got here, y'all would have been able to really and truly see it. But yo, I'm here for a few, so you guys will get to see it. But yeah, it's really cute. I'll probably do like a room tour tomorrow. What if a room tour when I get for another trip here? But yeah, cute little real vacation. Like now me and babe. Sorry, actually I can't tell you that no more. Shut up. Shut up. What? Yeah, vacation. We're on a real vacation now. Like a real vacation now. This is a real vacation now. So yeah, we're going to dinner. I don't know exactly what we're gonna eat. They said that there's an Italian restaurant open. I think a Chinese. Why don't we go Chinese? Joel, we have to. We're here. We can eat something different. Oh my God. Anyways, getting ready. Getting ready. Ooh. Well, tonight we feature a Toronto-born performer who left the city for Prince Edward County, where country living and a decade of working on farms gave him the time and the space to hone his songwriting skills. Here is Jeremy Albino. Yeah, I'll wear this. Like it, huh? Anyways, this is my fit for tonight. Cute little romper, ties at the back. About to big enough. Shout out Shop 2712 for this bag. Yeah, girl. I gotta take out the accessories out of it. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get ready and then come back. Okay? Okay, bye. So guys, we are off to dinner. Shout out my auntie for my mask. She was like, girl, I'm making you a mask. And it looks so cute. Yeah, girl. So anyways, we're going to dinner. Babe, Italian or Chinese? You eat Chinese? I don't know, I wanted a steak.
I'm trying something out of Chinese. I try something like everything I did say.
I bet we do that, yes?
Yeah, I forgot. Shit, first,
and it's mandatory that everybody wears masks. We have to wear masks.
And sanitize
everything. Your sanitize your foot, your hands, your luggage, everything. Yeah. Yo, I'm a cute bitch. Talking shoots. I don't think we went to the right place. We went to one. We should have went down.
We had a Jamaican restaurant. What is this? Alright, I'll wait up.
There we go. I want to drink first. Ooh, no, Italian. Yes. This nice spot. The place just nice. Bar. You have to sanitize. They have to take your room number down in order to see you. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so when we came in, we got a complimentary bottle of champagne as well. So they told us to bring it to whatever restaurant it is that we wanted to go and eat at tonight, and yeah, they would thing it for us. So we're at the Italian restaurant. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see, and then yeah. So guys, I ordered my dinner, but they told me to go to the salad bar to get a salad, so I did. This is some like mixed seafood stuff. This is like tomato with mozzarella and bruschetta, not bruschetta, but vinaigrette. And then this is just like some mix up. The lady just mixed up a whole bunch of salad. I should have told her what exactly I wanted, but yeah, that's fine. Yo, the people here are so, like, the people that work here are so funny. Like, so funny. So funny. So funny. OMG. Taking babes. Try this out. I'm really excited about the Amen. I'm excited to try this mozzarella tomato.
No fruits. One for the next video or the next one. Really, I got married.
So my dinner is here. I got steak, and I'm assuming this is, oh, this is potatoes, she said. Some sort of type of potatoes. And I think like some sort of like a mushroom cream sauce. And I think this is like blue cheese, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, girl, I mean this, girl. Babe's food. Some fried chicken, pasta, anything.
Oh, this food.
So yeah.
How I use this potato?
Yep.
Yeah, I like potato chips.